Hey, my friend, this is Subhash here. Good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing well. And first of all, I'm going to give you full depth review about new product called Affiliate Millionaire. It is based on ClickBank marketing, how you can make a lot of money through ClickBank. And the person is who created this kind of course, who is a really millionaire and who are making around nearby $1 million every single week. I'm just going to show you everything step by step. I have course access where you what you get inside. And the most important questions: Do you are you doing ClickBank marketing? If you're doing, then this course is really beneficial for you because you will learn every exact formula, how you can select a product, how you can launch, and how you can make even thousands of dollars every single day. Okay, so let's share screen with you and we are going to show you. First of all, let's talk about product creator. So you can see he is the product creator called name is Andreo Fox, and you can check his profile, his Facebook profile, and he recently featured on one newsletter. And you can see on here his weekly earning around 700k, around around half million, and nearby 1 million, and nearby 400k. So you can see date on date 21/11 and 12, like this month. And you can see daily basis earning November 799k, and no, November 693. So I know you just thinking it is a just a fake, and it came out. No, this is a real person. He's a brilliant guy. He's a talented. He know how to promote other people's product. He know how to run ads, and he know how to generate millions of traffic for that product. Okay, so you will learn everything on here. Also, we just going to share with you a screen on here. So you can see this is a course members area. Okay, so if you're going to purchase, then you will get mindset session, discover time, and launchers, which type of landing page work best each type of market. Tracking setup, the tracking setup you must pick in place before sending a single dummy on traffic time A to Z to set up your campaigns in the right way, and create ad creative, how to design your ad creative and image, and where we found the best designer. Launch time, it is time to start the traffic to your campaigns. Are you ready? And scaling. So also you will get some software and campaign access. You don't need to buy anything. He provide everything completely for free. Okay, so I know you're doing ClickBank marketing. So if you have account, then it is pretty awesome. Simply you should learn everything. Okay, and let's talk about I will also share my bonuses which I am providing with you. So you can see you can click on the link below and you can visit on this page, and you can see on here his earning screenshot. Okay, every single day he's showing on here, and you can watch 1 minute videos, and then you can see all this is earning proof, and he's a genius of this business. Okay, and you can see on here, and you can see all earning proof on here, and some other people's you can see on here. You can see and so many, and you can see 2 minute around to 25-minute video. So make sure you watch this video before purchase, and this course is really cheap. Okay, and you can see on here what is the course. If you finally wanted to an ultimate guide, right, written by a total non-guru, just a regular rate. You can see on here pre-warm up affiliate millionaire mindset and research. You can see on here what he did for research, and module 2, module 3. So all sales space he's showing everything step by step. Okay, and also you will get everything, my friend. You don't need to worry. This is the one of the best, cheapest, and high valuable course for your life. If you pick up, then it will totally change your life. I'm also did ClickBank marketing, and I have generated a lots of results. You can see all modules on here, and once you click and join, then you will get result. Also you can see on here minute how long did the reality take to get $1,000 per day? And you can see on here, and question number 2, and all earning on here. So let's talk about testimonial about the real users what say. So you can see on here
about the year 2001, when it was just getting off the ground. I remember when someone told me that they made 6 figures a year in affiliate marketing. I thought they were joking. That was a long, long time ago. Now there are people who make 6 and 7 figures a month doing affiliate marketing. Many, many programs have come out about affiliate marketing, promising huge windfalls. So why aren't there more millionaires? Why aren't there more people making money with affiliate marketing? Simply because the courses are too difficult for most people to understand until now. Andrew Fox's Affiliate Millionaire program, which I was given the opportunity to look at and go through, is a total breakthrough. It is simplicity defined. The videos are short. They show you exactly what needs to be done. It is step by step showing you how you can very rapidly launch a successful affiliate business and turn it into a stream of full-time income. Andrew Fox is one person who knows affiliate marketing. And I'm telling you, take my word for it.
Okay, so you have seen the real person making a lots of money every single day using this affiliate millionaire system. Okay, so if you are serious, then you should go to you can see on here April, May, June, October, all months. You can he's a guru and he making a lots of money every single day. He's a, you can see, watch this his videos and all kind of, you can see this is a really cheapest course. So let's talk about my bonuses before showing a price on here. So once you pick up the course, once you pick up this course, then you will get a lot of highly premium courses for free. So how you can get? First of all, you can see on here, you can see personal branding academy, affiliate marketing blueprint 2.0, chatbot marketing, personal branding SEO, personal branding management, SEO branding, tribe building, email marketing, and lead generation, and internet traffic blueprint, and personal branding blueprint, and weekly live class, leadership private community, the next commission, the commission course, and passive income, and possibly. So you will get 5 courses for free. You can see, once you pick up this course, clicking on the link down below, then you will get 5 courses for free. And the price is that course. Let's talk about the pricing. You can see on here, the front end price is that just $39. And once you invest in $39, then you will get this training. Okay, module number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can get everything on here. So I am personally know about this person and his training. You can see a lots of video, finding a hot niche, hot offer, trusted affiliate network, tips to increase, and so many things on here. And the most important things, how you can track your campaigns and how you can optimize. And the most important thing for any kind of business, you should know about how you can generate traffic. So you will learn how to set up your FB account. The main reason is how you can run Facebook account for affiliate marketing without account banning. Okay, so every single step on here. So I hope $39 is not enough amount, and once you're doing late, then you will lose my bonuses. Also you will lose discount. So go to and access now. And OTO number 2 is that you will get 5 done for you campaign, which is he are using, and he made around 100K per month, per week. So if you want to fast result, then you should buy 5 done for you campaign. This is a really amazing. And it is just 197, but I'm just saying, you buy one upsell, and if you want to buy downsell, you just to go to. And but if you buy downsell, then you will get only 3 campaigns. And upsell number 2 is that super affiliate market builders. So you should buy this software. It is really help you to building landing page and bonus pages. And OTO number 3, if you want more campaigns, more you do not want to find and research yourself, then you should go to access $37 monthly price, where you will become a members of his training, and all campaigns, video as ad you will get every single month. Okay, so go to and click on buy button now and just enroll this course. And once you finish, but once you're finishing course checkout, after then you will get this kind of dashboard. And once you get this kind of dashboard, then you will start learning. And I personally help you to understand how this course help. And I'm give you guaranteed this is really amazing, and it will help you to achieving your result to as soon as possible, because I know digital marketing changed the whole life. So go to access now, and if you have any questions, simply click the comment below. I personally help you. Okay, thank